Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. You come home to a messy garage all the time? Are you tired of it? Well, listen up. I'm going to give you the 5.5 steps it takes to achieve a mess-free garage and the best ways to conquer the garage organization game. Number one is the design. Design of your garage layout is the first defense against clutter. At TLC, we come to you to produce the best layout possible. Once we have a design that works for you and your family's lifestyle, we provide you with a detailed proposal of the investment that you'll be making for a clutter-free garage. Number two, garage clean out and temporary storage. In preparation for a TLC garage makeover, all items must be cleared out of the garage while work is being performed. We provide this service with a secure on-site storage container. If you don't want clutter that came out to go back in, we'll even discard or donate these unwanted items. Number three, the big three, electrical, painting, and carpentry. Many garage improvement projects require the addition of new lighting, fans, electrical outlets, and switches. We can handle all of your electrical needs in-house. Plus, full painting and drywall installation services as well to make your garage like new. Need some minor repairs or remodels? As a licensed residential contractor, we can do those too. Number four, audio-visual installations. With a new garage makeover, you'll probably be spending a lot more time out there. Heck, it might even become your new man cave, your place to watch the game, exercise, or work on a hobby. So why not take your garage to the next level by mounting a TV or adding a professional stereo system? Next thing you'll know, everyone will be hanging out in your new garage. Number five, the big one, organization. Now that you have all this new storage space, how about some help putting all your possessions back in the right place? We'll show you how to maximize your storage efficiency by utilizing our versatile store wall installs. The biggest step, 5.5, is avoiding procrastination. Don't procrastinate. That messy garage isn't going anywhere without a little TLC. So call us today and we can get this done for you once and for all. Give us a call or click below, drop a comment, or shoot us a message to give your garage the TLC it needs. And again, thanks for watching The Bob Carr Show.